Hey everyone, today I'm here with the Huawei Mate X7. When it comes to foldable phones, most people still have two big questions in mind. Is it durable? And are the cameras really flagship level? With the new Mate X7, Huawei aims to answer both of those questions. The Mate X7 isn't just a more durable foldable phone, it's designed to be powerful enough to replace a traditional flagship smartphone. So, let's take a closer look and see if it really delivers. Let's start with the design and how it feels in the hand. The Huawei Mate X7 continues the premium design language we're used to from Huawei. On the back, you'll notice a familiar Huawei identity, and the phone comes in 3 different color options. Depending on the color you choose, the materials used also change. But the most important thing here is how it feels in daily use. The Mate X7 is very thin and lightweight. After using it for a while, you almost forget that you're using a foldable phone. Honestly, in everyday use, it feels just like a classic bar-style smartphone. One of the strongest points of the Huawei Mate X7 is durability. The outer display is protected by second-generation ultra-durable crystal armor glass, which is far more resistant to scratches and drops than the previous generation. This is a big advantage, especially if you tend to drop your phone often. Looking at the hinge, Huawei uses a next-generation precision hinge designed with zero contact with the inner display. It's made from carbon fiber, aerospace-grade polymer, and ultra-high-strength steel, making it highly resistant to impact when dropped. The side frame is made of aerospace-grade aluminum, which helps protect the device even when it falls on its edges or corners. The inner display uses a special 3-layer structure made of carbon fiber, UTG glass, and a non-Newtonian fluid. This allows the screen to stay flexible while being extremely strong during impact. The Mate X7 also comes with IP58 and IP59 certifications, which are quite rare for foldable phones. IP58 means the phone can survive being submerged in up to 2 meters of water for 30 minutes. IP59 means it can withstand high-pressure water jets and even hot water up to 80 degrees Celsius. Even with wet hands, the touchscreen remains responsive. Using the phone by the pool or in the rain is no longer a serious concern. Now, let's move on to my favorite part, the cameras. Yes, I've taken hundreds of photos with the Mate X7, and the results are genuinely impressive. Here's the camera setup: 50 megapixel main camera, 40 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 50 megapixel 3.5 times telephoto macro lens, enhanced with the second-generation Huawei Ultra Chroma camera. Skin tones look incredibly natural and true to life. Whether you're shooting people, portraits, family moments, or street photography, the results are consistently excellent. Even selfies taken with the rear cameras look professional. Color accuracy stays strong even in difficult lighting conditions. With a 17.5 EV dynamic range, the Mate X7 performs exceptionally well in backlit scenes, night shots, and high-contrast environments. This level of performance is comparable to professional cinema cameras. Zoom performance is also very impressive, with minimal detail loss even when shooting distant subjects. Honestly, at no point did I feel the need for a better camera. The inner display of the Mate X7 isn't just for watching videos, it's built for productivity. You can run up to 3 apps at the same time, and switching between them is smooth and effortless. All your daily apps, including Google Apps, are available through the Huawei App Gallery. When it comes to battery life, the Mate X7 is very solid. The 5,600 mAh battery easily handles heavy daily use. Even when using both the inner and outer displays, it comfortably lasts a full day on a single charge. With 36-watt fast charging, you can reach 80% in 30 minutes, 100% in 42 minutes. Wireless charging is supported, and with reverse charging, you can even use the Mate X7 as a power bank when needed. The AI features on the Mate X7 focus on real-world usability rather than gimmicks. AI Best Expression, AI Remove, AI Gesture Control. These are features you actually use in daily life, not just once and forget about. Overall, the Huawei Mate X7 offers excellent value for its price. With its ultra-durable build, true flagship-level cameras, and a large display that boosts productivity, it's more than capable of replacing a traditional bar-style flagship phone. The Mate X7 will be launching very soon in Malaysia, and as always, Huawei will be offering various freebies. Thanks for watching until the end. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!